Good day. This is Tustin Mayor Dr. Allan Bernstein with an update of the COVID-19 pandemic and its effect on our community. Before I share the latest updates, I'd like to take a moment to thank you all, each and every Tustinite, for your conscientiousness and patience since the pandemic affected us here in our own hometown. We faced a lot together through these extraordinary times. The world has changed so much in the past few months, and we have grown as a community in solidarity. Thank you for your trust and confidence in the City Council and the city staff. Wholeheartedly, I believe that we are always better together. To our essential workers and first responders, and all who have sacrificed being safe at home and continue to work to help and support our community, know that we recognize the challenges you face, and we are grateful for your sacrifices and dedication. We can't thank you all enough. As of August 4th, the Orange County Healthcare Agency reported that Tustin has 890 residents infected by COVID 19, including 8 deaths, ranking 11th in Orange County compared to the other cities. Our thoughts and prayers go out to all who have been affected by COVID 19. We are hopeful that collective actions taken over the past couple of weeks have allowed us to slow the spread of the COVID 19. It is important to keep in mind that we will need to continue with all modifications and sacrifices currently in place. It is important for us to all remain vigilant in guarding against the virus spread. Remember, Tustin, you want to protect yourself and those around you. If you are returning to work, you can protect yourself and others from COVID 19 by wearing a face cover at work if you are able to. Keep a safe distance as much as you can, at least 6 feet. Avoid sharing items with your coworkers. Clean and disinfect your workplace and shared equipment often. Wash your hands often with soap and water or use hand sanitizer. And stay at home if you are sick. This week, the California Department of Public Health released guidance for youth sports activities to reopen, including school-based, club, and recreational programs. 6 feet of physical distancing must be followed between players, and a stable cohort, such as a class, must be maintained. Activities are advised to take place outside as much as possible. Tournaments, events, and competitions, or any outdoor or indoor youth sports requiring close contact are not yet permitted under the state's guidance. For more information on the youth sports guidance, please visit the link listed below. The City Council recently approved an allocation of Community Development Block Grant funds, also known as CDBG funds, to assist families that have been affected by COVID 19. The city has entered into an agreement with Families Forward in partnership with Family Solutions Collaborative to provide emergency rental and/or utilities assistance to families experiencing hardship due to the coronavirus. The emergency rental and utility assistance program will benefit Tustin families who are at risk of homelessness and will help them to maintain stable housing during these unprecedented times. To date, the Emergency Rental and Utility Assistance Program, through our partnership with Families Forward and the Family Solutions Collaborative, has been able to help 15 households and has served 25 adults and 26 children. If you need assistance or know of a family that does, please call Kim Ortega at the number listed below or visit 211.oc.org. That's 211.oc.org. The Council and staff are also currently reviewing ways in which to utilize the COVID 19 Relief and Economic Security Program funding, also known as the CARES Program, to continue to aid our senior population. If you or someone you know is food insecure, please contact Tustin Area Senior Center for help and information at 714-573-3340. That's 714-573-3340. The Tustin Area Senior Center continues to accept kindness cards. Residents are invited to write a card or note with encouraging words for Tustin seniors who may be experiencing loneliness due to COVID-19 pandemic. Cards or notes should be handwritten with a positive and kind message and should be placed in an unsealed envelope. Children's drawings are also strongly encouraged. The kindness cards and notes can be dropped off at the box in front of the Tustin Area Senior Center located at 200 C Street. Parks and Recreation Department staff will distribute these cards to seniors receiving food, courtesy of Meal on Wheels and Second Harvest Food Bank. Lastly, I'm pleased to share that our Movies at the Hangar series has been extended for more Friday nights to September 4th, exclusively for Tustin residents. Attendees are required to watch the movie from their vehicles, and no RVs or campers are allowed. Grab grub from your favorite Tustin restaurant before arriving, as no food delivery will be allowed. Visit the city website for more details or call 714-573-3326. Today I'm standing in front of one of my favorite Tustin restaurants, Kitajima. They have taken advantage of the city order temporary use permit program to expand their great service outdoors. If you're craving sushi, this is the place to go to for delivery, takeout, and now outdoor dining service. If you are a business that needs assistance, whether it be expanding outdoors or navigating through the pandemic, please call our Economic Development Department at 714-573-3117. That's 714-573-3117. We are here to help our Tustin businesses, so please call to find out what programs are available. In conclusion, Tustin, we must continue to act as one, striving to keep Tustin safe and healthy, protecting our friends, family, and neighbors, those that we know and those that we don't, because it is our individual and collective best interest to do so. Together we are Tustin strong. Be well, and God bless.